In this video, we talk about some basic tools in the toolbar. So by using those, we interact with the geographic layers in our project. For example, we start with the pan map. So pan map is used to drag the layer wherever we want to drag it. Then we have the zoom in. So as the name suggests, so it just zooms in into the layer. Zoom out to the opposite function. Then we have two more functions, zoom full and zoom to layer. So this extent does not show the full or the exact extent of our layer, that is the world countries. So by using these two tools, zoom full and zoom to layer, we have the full extent. You can also go to the zoom like the full extent by right clicking on the layer and click zoom to layer. So after that we have the zoom last. It shows the last extent, for example like this, but we are working with the latest extent that is like acquired by clicking the zoom next. So the important thing is, for example, if we are working with this part of the map and somehow this part is like gone missing, bookmarked it. Okay, so it's new bookmark one, and we go somewhere else and we want to go back to our original area of interest. So what we do, we select the show special bookmark, and in the special bookmark down on the left side you see, so we click special bookmark one and it will takes us to our area of interest. So next is the select feature. So with the select feature you can select by like a single, like this, like a single click or just single feature, or you can select by polygon, for example by make a polygon. All the feature which comes in connection with the polygon you make, so will automatically be selected. Next is select feature by value. So it's by like you use the expression or you use the values. So this identify feature will give you the information about a particular layer which you want to work on or which you just selected. For example, this part, so it shows this is Canada and the other information. So then we have the toolbox. So either you go here in the search bar on the left, like below corner, or you just select the toolbox and select like your tools here. Then we have the attribute table. So it shows all the information based on this layer or all the features. After that we have this measure tool. So for example we want to measure the area or the length between the South American continent and the African continent. So it shows that in kilometer we have 19,262. With this tool, with the measure tool, you can measure the distance, the length, whatever you want to do with the measuring thing. So you could easily measure it with the measure tool. So if we go down, so we see these are the coordinates. So wherever your cursor is moving on the map or on the canvas, so it will show you automatically the coordinate system. So then we have the scale and the magnifier. So you could magnify it. It just works like the zoom in and zoom out function. Then the rotation, the most important is the coordinate system. So this was the basic overview of the basic tool you use while working with your geographic data.